Health officials are stressing the importance of continuing to test for COVID-19. Thanks for joining us. I'm Katherine Helverson. One of the newer methods you can use is an at-home test. News 9's Isaac Dienison is live in Wausau with what you should do if you test positive. Isaac?
Yeah, good evening, Catherine. Officials here at Marathon County Health Department say if you test positive, you should treat it as such, whether you use an at-home test or not.
There is a growing demand for the at-home testing is because they're simple and convenient.
That convenience has been important to many Americans lately, especially with the holiday season just wrapping up.
It can be used as a strategy if you're going to be going around a large group of people, and you can take a at-home test to know what your infectious status is before you'd even be going to that gathering.
But if you test positive, you shouldn't ignore it.
Any positive result should be treated as if they're infectious.
If you test positive, we want you to go into isolation immediately, which means staying home, limiting contact with others.
There aren't any different recommendations from the CDC for at-home tests compared to normal PCR tests, which means you'd be recommended to isolate for 5 days and let close contacts know of your status.
If you test positive at home and you follow the isolation guidance, you'll be fine. That's really all we want you to do is follow the guidance. And certainly limit the spread by staying home.
But one of the drawbacks of at-home testing is they aren't technically official.
There's not necessarily that documented result for individuals. That may be a drawback as well if they should need to provide something to somebody.
That's why it might be best to actually know for sure.
If you can, we would like you to get another test with a healthcare provider so that it confirms it through a PCR that you do indeed have COVID.
And as of now, several retailers offer at-home tests. Be sure to check the inventory before you buy one. Live in Wausau, Isaac Dienison, News 9 WAOW.